Why did you die? The return of the Banshees. Emergency news broadcast, March 2025. Anchor, we interrupt our regular programming for breaking news. This is an emergency alert. Unprecedented events are unfolding around the world. As of midnight on the full moon of March 2025, the dead have returned. Dead women, victims of a silent war we've ignored, have risen from the depths of the earth, the rivers, and the very shadows of our cities. These are not the dead we know, they are the Banshees. And they have come to ask a singular question: why did you die? Live report from New York City. Reporter, I don't know how to explain this, but the dead have risen. Women, hundreds, maybe thousands of them, are surfacing from the rivers, the sewers, the underground tunnels. Their faces are pale, their eyes wide and glassy. And they are humming, a low, mournful hissing. The ground itself seems to quake beneath them. They are emerging from every corner, every waterway. I've just seen one rise from the Hudson, pulling herself up from the depths, her hair floating in the dark water like a shadow of death. Reporter, I don't know if I can say this, but they're targeting the men. I've seen several men running for their lives, but these Banshees, they are faster than anything I've ever seen. Their movements are unnatural, almost otherworldly. One of them, she must have been in her 20s, she reached a man, grabbed him by the throat and Live report from London. Reporter, we've just received reports from the east end of the city where Banshees are flooding the streets. They're not just appearing in the waterways, they're crawling from the underground tunnels. Women who were once the victims of this silent war, they're now the ones hunting, and they're targeting the men who've ignored their suffering for so long. Reporter, shaken, I can't breathe. The air, it's thick with their presence. There's a man, he's. Live report from Tokyo. Reporter, this is beyond anything we've ever seen. They've come for us. I can see it clearly now. The Banshees, thousands of them, emerging from the underground subway tunnels. Men are running in every direction, but the Banshees are relentless. Their cold, dead eyes are fixed on them. We've just witnessed one of the men dragged into the crowd. They are circling him, their hands reaching for him, their voices, it's not just the hum anymore, it's the sound of mourning, of loss, of anger. And they won't stop until they've asked their question: why did you die? Global footage. Now showing live footage from major cities across the world: Paris, Sydney, Sao Paulo, Cairo, all submerged in the eerie red light of the eclipse moon. As the Banshees march through the streets, they are seen swarming around men of all ages, grabbing them, pulling them down into the crowd. In each location, the sound of the eerie hissing grows louder, more intense. Anchor, we don't know how this ends. The Banshees are spreading across the globe. Cities are in chaos. Authorities are overwhelmed, and it's clear, men are being targeted by these women who've returned from death, demanding answers. There's no place to hide. The question is, will we be able to answer, or will we be swept away by the anger of those we've failed? Anchor, we'll continue to monitor the situation and bring you updates as they unfold. But for now, we can only watch as the Banshees fill the streets, and we can only wait for their final question. The haunting sound of a woman's voice can be faintly heard, whispering through the static. Why did you die?